So normally, you read the filter and it says, a 3-month filter.
Yeah.
That's just not right. It's going to be more of hours of operations, but the best way to do it is just get in the habit of changing it monthly. Anytime you're letting a filter go too long or, it gets really impacted, it's kind of like, the equipment needs to breathe. And just imagine, running down the street with a face mask on. That's pretty much what you're doing to the equipment. And the heart of the system, which is the compressor, that's going to be the most affected part.
You're unnecessarily stressing one of the most expensive pieces of equipment on your entire house because you don't want to spend $4 for a new filter and 5 minutes to change it.
Correct. Correct.
Not even 5 minutes to change it, unless you need a ladder, like you were saying earlier, a vaulted ceiling. And to put it numbers in perspective, a $5 filter changed monthly.
Well worth it.
If your unit is a $10,000 AC unit, it would take you 166 years to spend 10 grand on filters.
Yeah.
And you're not going to take care of that 10 grand piece of equipment for $5 a month, $60 a year.
A lot of people try and manipulate that, and they say, well, I'm not running in the shoulder seasons. I'm not running in the March, Aprils. I'm not running in October, Novembers. But I like your thought. Just get in the habit of doing it.
It's so easy.
Just get in the habit of doing it. Changing filters, probably the most cost-effective, time-effective thing you can do for caring for one of the most expensive pieces of equipment in your house.
And just because you're not using it doesn't mean it doesn't get dusty. You still have to dust your countertops, your fan blades, everything. It's still getting dust on it.
Correct.